If you're looking for a reliable way to transfer photos and videos from your camera's SD card directly to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, the Denlane SD Card Reader is worth a close look. It features dual connectors, USB-C and Lightning, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, from iPhone 5 through iPhone 16, iPads, Macs, and even some Android devices like Samsung and Lenovo tablets. Just keep in mind, you can only use one connector at a time. What makes the Denlane card reader stand out is its Apple MFI certification, ensuring seamless plug-and-play operation. No need to download apps, connect to Wi-Fi, or install drivers. Simply plug it into your device, and you're ready to transfer photos, videos, or other files from your digital camera's memory card or USB compact flash. It's designed to make sharing your best moments quick and hassle-free. This adapter is especially useful for photographers and content creators who rely on multiple types of memory cards. It supports SD, SDHC, SDXC, microSD, microSDHC, and microSDXC cards, plus SIM cards. The 5-in-1 design means you can instantly preview your shots from digital, trail, or hunting cameras right on your iPhone or iPad. You can also transfer files back and forth, giving you flexible control over your media. Speed and reliability are key benefits here. The Denlane card reader offers stable, high-speed transfers supporting FAT32 and exFAT formats. It handles standard photo formats like JPEG and RAW, plus SD and HD video formats including H.264 and MPEG-4. This ensures your files move quickly without compromising quality, saving you time when managing large photo or video libraries. Another advantage is its compact and lightweight design in a clean white finish, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're shooting on location or working from home, this adapter fits neatly into your workflow without adding bulk or complexity. It's a straightforward tool that just works. If you often find yourself juggling multiple devices and memory cards, this dual-interface SD card reader brings a lot of convenience. No more fumbling with different adapters or waiting for slow transfers. Plus, its broad compatibility covers Apple's latest devices as well as popular USB-C gadgets, so it's a versatile addition to your gear. Worth a look if you want to streamline your photo and video transfers without extra fuss. The Denlane SD card reader lets you focus on what matters, capturing and sharing your best content. Try it when you're ready to simplify your workflow and keep your creative momentum going.